We have progressed a lot from the preliminary task to our full product. When producing our prelim, we only knew a few editing techniques: shot, reverse shot, and match on action, which were shaky at times. In our final 2-minute opening, our editing is a lot smoother, making it flow better and being less distracting for our audience. We also used slow motion in our prelim, which I think makes it look more amateur. We felt that slow motion was unsuitable for our final product. We opted for more sophisticated effects such as reversing. When producing our prelim, we were still learning how to use our equipment. As a result, our pan shots were jolty as our tripod was too stiff. We have a large variety of camera angles and shots in our final product, using high angles, close-ups, extreme close-ups, mid-shots and long shots. Our framing and use of space also improved. In this shot from our prelim, there is too much headroom, drawing attention away from the character and narrative. We didn't pay attention to the mise-en-scène in our prelim. For example, the background is cluttered and distracting. Mise-en-scène was one of the most important elements in our film opening. We carefully chose props and lighting in the darkroom to create an eerie atmosphere. We also wanted to film in Starbucks, juxtaposed the darkroom. It was a bright and modern environment that helped to establish the character's professional personality and her place in society. The narrative of our prelim was told purely through dialogue. In our opening, we had no dialogue as we wanted to tell the story visually. We felt that there wasn't a suitable time to add speech. Instead, we used sound to add to the atmosphere. We used non-diegetic music during the title sequence, which we felt made the scene tense and mysterious. We also used a ticking sound to create an uncomfortable, unsettling atmosphere. We were more sophisticated with our use of sound, not only carefully selecting music and other sound effects to create a desired effect, but we also recorded our own sound for Foley to add more depth to the sound, something that our prelim lacked. Lastly, our storyboard for our final product was more thorough. This helped us to have better time management as we knew exactly what shots were needed.